Right, I'm gonna start spraying here. I'm gonna give you one tip when I do a garage, spray in a garage. I'm always using a cardboard shield holder to do a lot of shielding. There's a lot of shielding to be done in here, and this will be one of those handy tools you have to have. I do like the craft cardboard shield holder because it adjusts just by tapping it. So wherever you want it, whatever angle you want it, you can tap it to adjust. But even though I got masking down here, I'm still using a cardboard shield holder down here so I can keep overspray from dropping down to the bottom. So I'll use it just in a manner just like that to control overspray from kicking down onto the ground. So that's one way I use the craft cardboard shield holder. When it comes to corners and stuff, I got a corner over here. I can show you what it looks like to shield a corner too. So the corner is masked, but I'm just gonna set my cardboard shield on this corner. Just like that, and now I've just sprayed my corner. So the corner itself, the masking itself, you don't have to use a cardboard shield holder, but it's just added insurance that you're not gonna get overspray kicking around. There's gonna be some corners overhead and stuff I'll be using it on, but that's it, craft cardboard shield holder. So here we go, I'm gonna spray, I'll do some spraying on this wall here. We'll show you what it looks like. I've got a 24-foot gun extension on. Once again, I got a Bedford tip, a 515 tip we'll be spraying with. So there's a little look. I've got just spraying right down along the line here. I'm gonna go from end to end, overlapping 50%. I wanna keep it really saturated, really wet as I spray. You can see what it looks like right there. I'm gonna be using a ladder to go up and down, but you just want it to have a super saturated wet look as you go. Oh, there it went. I got it. That was the one that was really stuck. Okay. You ready? So the upper bulb was really stuck. The only difference between a journeyman and an apprentice is a journeyman knows how to fix everything. See that? All right, so I'm gonna run around, spray all these support rods right here. this T-bar, L-bar, whatever you want to call it, the support for the garage doors. I'm just going to be using a 208 tip, spraying all this metal work. I'm going to work around the springs over here, and that way I don't have to just keep switching out tips and extensions. I'm going to do this all at once, then throw my extension on and start filling things in. So it's just spraying this metal work and making it simple. So I'm working on my support rods. I'm also be working around all this. It's better to just use your small tip to cut in and work around these areas. I won't get too close to this because we'll hand cut it in with a brush and a roller. So there you have it, painting the garage. I don't know, this garage was a pretty big garage, vaulted ceilings and stuff. A lot more difficult than your average 2-car garage that's regular 8-foot ceilings. I'm not in the garage now. I'm off at the next job site, but just shooting the outro for this. If you've got any tips or tricks, you know, when it comes to painting the garage, leave it down in the comment section below. Check out my other garage painting video where I did a garage in 4 hours. It was a lot smaller garage, same kind of thing, but I used an upcycled paint, which made it even cheaper to actually paint the garage. Tips and tricks spraying. I always spray the garage and never roll the garage. It's so much faster. Mask and spray, the easy way to paint your garage. Once again, just leave some comments down there. If you think you've learned anything from this video or you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and that dumb notification bell somewhere around it that YouTube wants you to hit the notification bell also along with subscribe. And it's just a simple way that YouTube can email you just a reminder every time I come out with a new video. It's free, easy to do. It's been free for 12 years. It'll be free for another 12 years. And we'll see you next time. Not on a garage video, but we'll probably be doing something else, working on cabinets or this 1950s remodel. Out.